much about quitting, but I do enjoy flying. Harry tried to see.
Hello, new school Beyblade here. Today I'm doing an unboxing of Beyblade X UX-17 MeteoDragoon 370 gelled. Let's go. Finally a less spin and another less spin. I know I'm late on this, but still, it's nice to have this on in my collection.
It's a letter from Hogwarts. I have been accepted to join the school, said Harry before handing the letter to his mother.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
I just remember, Daphne told me that the boy who lived will be attending Hogwarts this coming year. Lyra said while looking at Harry. Really? Daphne, nice. That one. Harry. I'm sure you'll need to treat him normally, okay? I'm sure he doesn't like this whole boy who lives stuff. Why wouldn't he like being famous? I hope that this Neville is good.
I know this will be popular for strictly ripcord users for less spin.
Like you know him already, said Lyra with suspicion. Harry reacted quickly. I don't. He has very hard life, and I'm sure he doesn't like to be reminded of what he's lost. Lyra was surprised. She hadn't thought about that, but it was true that Britain's hero had lost his family during the Dark Lord attack, and calling him the boy who lived was just a reminder of that day.
There we go. First less spin.
Shouting like the child he was. Those are very wise words, Harry, his mother said with admiration. Yes, well said, son. James. Harry and Lily were walking through the streets of Diagon Alley.
Okay, there we go.
It was time for him to get a wand and buy all of the other supplies they needed. His father was busy at work, and Lyra had to stay at home to take care of Holly, who could not come because, according to his mother, it would take them all day to finish the shopping if they had to bring her. Besides,
and there we go.
Shortly before his trip to Hogwarts, so his mother wanted to take the chance to buy her a good present.
This is gorgeous.
This
370.
Here we are, Lily said as they arrived at the door of Ollivander's. They went inside and were greeted by a familiar old man.
And jolt.
Ollivander looked at Lily for a moment. 10 inches, willow wood, and a phoenix feather core, if I remember correctly. Lily smiled and took out the wand.
And yes, let's do a test launch.
Serve you well, the old man said. Today we are here for my son. Lily put her hand on Harry's shoulder and nudged bit offended.
Okay.
He then turned his eyes to Harry. Of course, getting your first wand is a very exciting experience, young The old man did some measurements and went to pick up some.
Let's do one more launch.
Pulled out a wand and handed in all of my years for one with a phoenix feather, if you don't mind, Mr. Ollivander.
Hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this, and goodbye.